Hello, grandkids. It's Stories with Mima time. And you know what? There is a book that I used to love to read to your mommies, and it was called If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. I went looking for that book at the library last weekend, and I did not find that one. But you know what I found? Oh my gosh, you're going to crack up. If You Give a Mouse an iPhone. Let's see what happens there. This is by Android. If you give a mouse an iPhone, let's see what happens to this mouse. I wonder if it's going to be as similar as children. Okay. Oh, look at this. So the mouse is saying, can I have some nail scissors and a mirror and a broom and a bucket and a mop? And he says, not right now. Look. Do you see how busy I am? And the mouse says, and some crayons and a pen and some paper and tape and a refrigerator, and he wants a lot. And this up here says, if you give a mouse an iPhone, and he says, I'll tell you what, if you leave me alone for 10 minutes, I'll let you play on my phone. Oh boy. But just for 10 minutes. Oh boy. He's not going to ask for a cookie or a glass of milk or anything at all. In fact, he won't hear a word you say. He says, okay, Applesauce. It's a funny name for a mouse. Okay, Applesauce, I'm all done now, and I've got a big surprise. Time to put that away. Applesauce? He's tap, 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 tap on that iPhone. And if he doesn't hear a word you say, he won't know you're taking him on a special trip. And he says, the boy says, isn't this the greatest surprise ever? Tap, 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 tap on the iPhone. Applesauce? He'll miss out on all the kettle corn and funnel cake and ice cream and corn dogs and cheese fries. And he says, OMG, these are the best nachos ever. Tap, 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 tap. He won't even realize he's on the Kathmandu coaster. Isn't this the most fun ever? Applesauce? Tap, 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 tap. And if he doesn't realize he's on the Kathmandu coaster, he won't remember to buckle his seatbelt, and he'll probably take a little ride of his own. Look at, he's flying through the air. Tap, 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 tap. And the chances are, if he takes a little ride of his own, boing, and look, he's going in that window right there. He'll accidentally open all the cages. Uh-oh, see, he went boing, 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 boing. But he won't have the slightest idea what's happening. Applesauce! Tap, 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 tap. And if he doesn't know what's happening, he won't watch where he's going. Look out! Oh, tap, 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 tap. He's on the back of that alligator. And he'll probably march right out of the wild animal amusement park. Applesauce! And straight into the sea. Watch out for the... Oh boy. Tap, 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 tap. Cliff. And if he falls into the sea, tap, 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 tap. Chances are he'll end up on some distant island. This dolphin says, is that Minecraft? And this one says, can I try? Tap, 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 tap. So you'll have to get a boat and you'll probably have to camp out for the night since it will be too late to paddle home. You know that this much screen time can't be good for you, right? Tap, 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 tap. Then about the time you run out of energy, the phone battery will too. Oh boy, he looks a little concerned. Ah! And when the battery runs out, uh-oh, he'll totally freak. No, 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 N-O, no, panic. Oh boy. And when he totally freaks, he'll probably beg you for a charger. Please, 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 please. And chances are, if he begs you for a charger, you'll point out that you are on a remote island without any outlets. See? Oh, yeah, cool. And pretty soon he'll forget all about the charger. Ah, look at him roasting marshmallows. Got any graham crackers? Applesauce says. And the iPhone to go with it. Ah, that looks like fun. Kind of looks like the camping trips we go on. By the way, how did we get here? Ah, that silly mouse didn't even know anything that was happening because he was on that iPhone. Well, that was a cute story. Pretty accurate too, if you ask me, Ma. All right, grandkids, I love you. A bushel and a peck, and a hug around the neck. I love you. We'll read you later.